dance is called One Way Ticket Remix. It's a 32 count, 4 walls. It's a beginner line dance. There's no tag and no restart for this dance. Let me show you section 1. Starting with our right foot, step right to the side, together, forward shuffle, step left to the side, together, forward shuffle. Section 1 with the count, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, make a pivot quarter turn to your left, stepping your right, step right quarter turn, recover on left, cross shuffle, right over left, cross shuffle, do a bind to the left with a touch, side, behind, side, touch. Section 2 with a count, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, make a quarter to your right, quarter right, touch, step left to the side and touch. Make another quarter to your right, touch, step left to the side and touch. Section 3 with a count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section, shuffle right forward, shuffle forward, rock, recover, back shuffle on the left, and rock back, recover. The weight is on the left. And you start the dance again, facing 3 o'clock on wall 2. Let me go through the last section with the count. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. I'll go through the whole dance. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4.